In one of those sessions, I asked them to kind of prepare, think through, what do you love about the other person? Emily said that Marcus helped her to grow as a person. They lived on the other side of the country, and she was able to accomplish all these things. She was able to be herself around Marcus. She's comfortable around him. That he's generous and thoughtful. One of the most kind people out there. Marcus started by talking about her smile. That she's beautiful and smart and fun. He relies on her. She lets you be yourself. You don't have to be fake. Supports you. Moved across the country to help you live your dream. Fierce with her love, yet gentle. 100% genuine. Wouldn't be the person you are without her.
So this was made by my great-great-great-grandmother, and every daughter has used this on their bouquet ever since.
In the years you have been together, you've been through a lot. Lots of awesome experiences and a heck of a lot of challenges. Moving across the country, job changes, death, far too much death, and grief and trauma. You've had a heck of a couple of years. So we can acknowledge those things, and we can find beauty in the experience and the journey, and we can make the most of what we're given in the midst of it.
Ready for you? Oh, you look so great. I know.
I promise to respect, admire, and appreciate you for who you are as well as the person you wish to become. I promise to be there for you when you need me the most. I promise to nurture your goals and ambitions, to support you through misfortune, and to celebrate your triumphs. I promise to keep our lives exciting, adventurous, and full of passion. I promise to persevere when times get tough, knowing that any challenges we might face, we will conquer them together. I promise to show you every day that I know exactly how honored I am to have you as my partner in life.
I promise to respect you, admire, and appreciate you for who you are, as well as the person you wish to become. I promise to keep our lives exciting, adventurous, and full of passion. I promise to preserve when times get tough, knowing that when the challenges we may face, we will conquer them together. I promise to show you every day that I know exactly how honored I am to have you as my partner in life.
Honor and privilege to present to you as a married couple, Emily and Marcus.